consider two or more elements, the interconnection of these three elements is nothing but a node. Okay. The interconnection of two or more elements is nothing but a node. What is the node represents? A node is the point of connection between two or more elements. It is the point of connection between two or more elements or more branches. If there are only two branches, this interconnection point is nothing but a simple node. Okay. If you consider three elements or four elements, the interconnection of these all elements is node. This node is nothing but a principal node. That is, the point of connection between three or more branches is nothing but a principal node. This is about the node. What is meant by branch? A branch represents a single element, such as a resistor or inductor or capacitor or a source. Okay. A single element represents a branch. If you take a circuit here, okay, or a network, this is called a branch. Okay, this is called a branch. What is meant by branch? A single element. What? The single elements represents the branch. Or this, we all know that this is one node, this is one node. The elements which connects the between two nodes is nothing but a branch. We can say in other words that the element which connects between two nodes is nothing but a branch. This is what branch. Next definition is loop. Loop is a closed path. Okay, loop is a closed path. This is what loop. If it is having another resistors in it, okay, this is one loop and this is another loop, this is one more loop and these two is also one loop and these two is also one loop, and complete this network is also having one loop. That means the loop may have inner loops in it also. If you take this part, okay, if you take this part, in this part we have two individual loops and one more big loop we have here. Okay, what is meant by the loop? It just have a closed path. A closed path in the circuit. That is what the loop. What is the mesh? Mesh is also a closed path, but it doesn't have an inner path in it. Okay, if you take this circuit, okay, in this path is also a closed path. So, this path we can say that this is a mesh. Here also we can say that one mesh. But if you consider whole circuit, this is not a mesh. Why? Because the mesh should not have an inner mesh in it. Loop may have inner loops, but the mesh should not have inner loops in it. It must be a closed path, but it should not have any other closed path in it. That is what the mesh. But coming to the loop, it may have an inner loops in it. Okay, that is the main difference between a mesh and a loop. Okay, now we will take one big circuit and we will find out what are the nodes, how many branches, how many loops and how many meshes we have in it. Draw a one circuit. So now this is what the circuit we have. Now let us find out how many nodes we have in this circuit. What is meant by node? The interconnection of two or more elements or two or more branches. If you look at this, we have one source and one element. So the interconnection point is a node here. Since because we have two elements only, two branches only, it is a simple. If you take this interconnection point, here we have three elements. So we can say that there is a principal node here. Here also we have three branches connected here. We have one more principal node. If you look at this point, we have only two branches. So we have a simple node here. Here also we have one principal node because one voltage source. This complete part is a one node only. Okay, because we don't have a elements between these nodes. Okay, we can take it as a one node only. So for this node we have voltage source, resistor, one more resistor and a current source. Okay, one more principal node. Now calculate how many nodes we have. Simple nodes equal to here one simple node and here one simple node. So two simple nodes. And how many principal nodes we have? One principal node, 2 and 3. 3 principal nodes we have. So totally we have 5 nodes in this circuit. Okay, now calculate the branches. How many branches we have here? One current source, it is also a one branch. Resistor, 2. And here also one resistor, 3. This one 4, 5, 6 and 7. So totally we have 7 branches here. 7 branches. Now we will calculate loops. How many loops we have? Here one individual loop. 1, 2, 3. And this is also a one loop, right? This is also a one loop. So 4. And this is also one loop. 5. And this complete network is a one loop. Okay. 6. So we have total 6 loops. Now calculate the meshes. How many meshes have? This is one mesh, this is one mesh and this is one mesh. So we have 3 meshes. We have one condition here. Every circuit must follow this condition, that is branch is equal to number of loops plus number of nodes minus 1. This is what the condition. If you take any circuit, the circuit must obey this condition. Okay. Here B indicates the number of branches. L indicates the number of independent loops. Okay. This L is independent loop. But we have taken here total loops. Okay. Total loops in this circuit is 6. But for this condition, we have to take the independent loops, that is individual loops. How many independent loops we have? 1. This is 1, 2 and 3. So we have 3 independent loops in it. Okay, this N indicates number of nodes, total nodes. Okay. Check whether this condition satisfies this circuit or not. What is branch B? How many branches we have? 7 branches we have. Equal to how many independent loops we have? 3. 3 independent loops plus how many nodes we have? Total 5. 5 minus 1. What is it? 7 equal to 8 minus 1. That is 7 equal to 7. Okay. This is what about nodes, branches, loop and mesh.